Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to record a Telegram call. On this video, we're not going to download any third-party application to record a call. If you're using iPhone like me, then just follow these easy steps. Open your Telegram and then choose the person you would like to call or to video call. In my case, I'll just choose this person in here. Now to video call, on the upper right part of the screen, tap the icon. And then from here, make sure it's the person you would like to call. To start the video call, tap video. Once you're ready to record the call, tap your phone from up, sliding down. And then from here, you'll see the red blinking icon on the lower right part of the screen. So if it's not recording, that's actually color white. But since I'm using that to record this video call, it is color red. And once you're done recording the said video, then you can just slide it down again and then tap the blinking red icon in order for you to stop the recording, and it will automatically be saved to your gallery or to your photos. And that's how to record Telegram call. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.